Hello XRP holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Guys, in this video I'm talking about XRP Ripple coin price update, guys, and I am also talking about the technical analysis. I'm talking about the future move of XRP Ripple coin which is coming in XRP. So guys, keep watching this video complete because this video is going to be very special for all of you, and especially guys for all holders, guys. Let's start the video, guys, and I request everybody before starting this video that please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more update and news videos about XRP Ripple coin, guys. So here, guys, if we talk about the right now price of XRP, 1.15 USD dollar, 1.15 USD dollar, that is the right now price of XRP in the market. And guys, furthermore, if you talk about the changes a bit of XRP, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, and changes of XRP is going negative. But guys, the last 1 week, you know what, in the beginning of October the price of XRP pumped, but unfortunately in the latest situation XRP price again going in the lows, guys. So due to this, a lot of people also decide to sell XRP, guys, but I think that's not a solution, guys. I recommend holding, guys. If you hold, so possibilities that in the future XRP price will highly blow up and you're going to get profit, guys. So just hold it, guys. Anyways, guys, let's see the price chart of XRP. You can see, guys, you can see here there is last 3 days price chart, and if you look the latest situation, price changes occurs in XRP, so you can see a positive 7%. The changes of XRP is positive, guys. So that is great, and this is good news for all of you, guys. Anyways, guys, what do you think about XRP now after watching this update? My prediction about XRP is 100% positive, and I believe, guys, that the huge pump is coming in the XRP Ripple coin. Just hold, don't forget to subscribe channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.